This is a glimpse to my journey to Uttarakhand and was the best way for me to rejuvenate and refresh myself along with my family. I have tried to capture sunrise to sunset, and indeed it was a beautiful journey throughout. Live with no excuses and travel with no regrets. That is how my journey was. Happiness is a way of travel, and this particular travel has led to a beautiful destination like this. I was so overwhelmed and at the same time quite relaxed. Connecting with the nature is always one of the greatest ideas for me.